Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a PlayStation gift card online. If you want to purchase a PlayStation gift card without going to a physical store, I'll walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Visit the official PlayStation website. 1. Open your browser and search for PlayStation gift card. 2. Scroll down and click on the official website, playstation.com. 3. You can also buy gift cards from Amazon or other retailers, but purchasing directly from PlayStation is usually the best option. Step 2. Select a gift card. 1. Click on Shop Gift Cards and wait for the page to load. 2. Choose who the gift card is for, yourself or a friend. 3. If you're buying for a friend, enter their name. Step 3. Choose the amount and design. 1. Click on Buy Digital Gift Card. 2. Select the amount you want. PlayStation offers fixed values. You can't enter a custom amount. 3. Choose a gift card design if there are different options available. Select the quantity you want to buy. Step 4. Add a message. Optional. 1. Click on Add Message if you want to include a personalized note. Step 5. Choose delivery method. 1. You can either send the gift card by email or get a link to share with the recipient. 2. If sending by email, enter the recipient's email address and retype it to confirm. Step 6. Select delivery date and time. 1. Choose a delivery date by clicking the calendar icon. 2. You can also set a specific time for the gift card to be sent. Step 7. Checkout and payment. 1. Click on Add to Cart, then Checkout. 2. Scroll down and select a payment method, credit card, debit card, or other available options. 3. Enter your card details, email, phone number, and name. 4. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click Place My Order. Step 8. Manage your gift card. 1. Sign into your PlayStation account after purchase. 2. In the top right corner, you can manage all your gift cards, check the balance, resend an e-gift card, view the gift card, and track the delivery status. That's it! You've successfully purchased a PlayStation gift card online. Let me know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.